student, myself Meenal Pawar from HM College, Karad. Today we are going to learn subject physics, 8th number topic magnetic field due to the electric current. Last lecture we are finished our topic. Now today we are going to learn problems. Some unsolved problem which are given in exercise, and solved problem is given to the each point of that solved problem also ask in exam. So there now we will see here some unsolved example which are given in exercise. Now first example, see, calculate the value of magnetic field at a distance of 2 centimeter from a very long straight wire carrying a current of 5 ampere, and here is given is mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Now we have to solve this example here. For solving this example, first of all we have to write here given. Now given is here. Now we have to calculate the magnetic field. So B is equal to question mark. Now here is given is current. Current is equal to 5 ampere, and this mu 0 is also given here, 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber per ampere meter, and one of the terms is also given here that a distance of 2 centimeter. That distance means which one value is given here? The distance means R is given here. Now R is equal to 2 centimeter. Now here is we have to all the quantity same unit. So 2 centimeter convert into meter. 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now we have to write here formula. B is equal to which formula I have to write here? Long straight conductor formula. B is equal to therefore mu 0 I upon 2 pi R. Mu 0 I upon 2 pi R. Now here substitute the value of mu 0 I and R. The mu 0's for mu 0's value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into current's value is 5 and 2 pi into R's value is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now here pi cancel. This pi also here cancel. Here 2 and 2 4. Here 4 also cancel. Now remaining terms is pi is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 into this numerator terms is here is numerator and denominator terms is going upward, then here see here is minus 2, then we get here plus 2. Now this minus 7 and plus 2, B is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. That is the solution of this problem. B is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus Tesla. That is the magnetic field. Now once again see here, there is first of all we have to write here given values. Current mu 0 is given here, R also is given here. Thereby using formula B is equal to mu 0 I 2 pi R. Therefore mu 0's value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 5 upon 2 pi cancel, then last value we get B is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 2. Then minus 7 and plus 2 is minus 5 here. Now we get values here. Here is minus 2. That minus 2. Here is we get minus 5. The value is 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla here. Now here second example. Second example also is that similar formula we have to use here. Now see here example. First of all we learn this. We have to read this example. A very long straight wire carries current of 5.2 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field at a distance 3.1 centimeter from the wire? Here also mu 0's value is given, and mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla, that meter per ampere. there are this unit also we can use here, or this unit also we can use here. Now here is we have to use the same formula. Now we are here also we have to calculate the magnetic field B first of all. Then I is equal to 5.2 ampere, and distance. The distance is given is that R is given. The R means the distance from here. The distance R is given is 3.1 centimeter is equal to 3.1 into centimeter convert into meter minus 2 meter. Here mu 0 is also given is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. Now same formula is used here. That same formula means here see B is equal to, first of all you have to write here formula mu 0 I upon 2 pi R. The substitute the value of this all that quantities, we get 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 3.1. Here is I's value is 5.2, sorry, and 2 pi into 3.1 into 10 raised to minus 2 here. Here also pi cancel. 2. Then after we have to use here log table. By using log table we can calculate the total values of current. Then by using the log table, or therefore 10.4 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 3.1 into 10 raised to minus 2. After by using the log table, the value of B is, therefore B is equal to, we get 3.3548 into 10 raised to minus 5. Here also unit is Tesla. Both the example is we have to use same formula here, that unit of magnetic field we have to write here Tesla, and here also is we get the magnetic field, the values unit is Tesla. Now one more example here we have to see here. Now see here this example. First I will read this example. The center of equal magnitude flows through two long parallel wires having separation of 1.35 centimeter. If the force per unit length on each of the wire in 4.76 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton, what must be I's? Now in this exam we have to calculate the value of current, and which value is given, that first of all we write here. Given is here, which one term is given here? First see that two long parallel having the separation 1.35 centimeter, means we have to calculate I's is equal to question mark. Then second one is D is equal to, D is given, separation between the two parallel wires, that we had learned that expression of two parallel wires, that D means the separation, then 1.5 centimeter. Now centimeter to convert in meter, 1.35 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter here, and here also given is force per unit length values. L is equal to, force per unit value is 4.76 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton. This value is given here. Now here is I's, we have to calculate I's values. D is given 1.35 centimeter. Force per unit length is 4.76 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton. Now here formula is F upon L is equal to mu 0 I1 I2 upon 2 pi dl. But now here see, here is I1 is equal to I2, that I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I. So substitute the value of I1 I2 is I, we get F upon L is equal to mu 0 zero's value? You know then mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla, that meter per ampere or Weber per meter. That mu 0's value known, that mu 0 I into I square upon 2 pi d. Now we have to calculate the I square value. So that F's value is also, F upon L's value is also given here, that 4.76 into 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to mu 0's value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into I square upon 2 pi into these values is 1.35 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now here that equation we have to convert in the form of I square. Therefore I square is equal to, that I square is equal to FC, that 4.76 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 2 pi into 1.35 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 here. Now see here that pi cancel. Here also there is 2 here, 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 here. So this value is 2's ones are 2, here 2. Therefore I square is equal to, 2's ones are 1, therefore 2.38, that 2.38 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 1.35 into 10 raised to minus 2 into, here this term is became plus, if minus term is became plus here. Therefore I square is equal to 2.38 into 1.35 into minus 2 minus 4 into 10 raised to 7 here. Now therefore by using the log table we can calculate the value of 2.38 into 1.35. That value we get here. See, that value is 3. Here I square is equal to, by multiplying or by using that log table, this value we get 3.2130 into 10 raised to, here minus 4 and here plus 7, 10 raised to 3 here. That we have to value of the, calculate the value of current. Here is I square value is get. So I is equal to square root of, now here is odd numbers, so here we want here even numbers, 10 raised to 2's value. So we adjust this number here, by adjustment of number that we get 32.130 into 10 raised to 2. 32.130 into 10 raised to 2. Now here I is equal to square root of 32.1.30 into 10 raised to 2. Now we, by using the log table, we can calculate the square root values. The square root column is given in log table. The each calculation we have to do by using log table. Now if there are simplified calculation we can calculate directly, but if there is complicated calculation we can use it by using the log table. Now that by using the square root we get 32's value, we get here that 5.67 into 10. Then I is equal to 5.67 into 10 means 56.7 ampere. Ampere is the unit of current. That we get the current's value here. Now see here once again that here is we have to calculate i's values. D is given, f upon L is also given, I1 I2 is equal to I, because current of equal magnitude flowing to the two long parallel wires. So I1 is equal to I2. By substituting I1 is equal to I2, there is I square is equal to. We have to calculate I square value. Then I square is equal to substituting these all values in equation here, this equation. We get I square is equal to this value. Last the value of current is equal to 56.7 ampere. Now one more example is here. Now see here, first type we read here, magnetic field at a distance 2.4 centimeter from a long straight wire is 16 microtesla. What must be current through the wire? This example. First of all, that we are going to learn this example. That first we have to read this example carefully. Then which term is given? See here. Now we have to calculate what must be current through the wire. A magnetic field at a distance 2.4 centimeter from a long straight wire is that 16 that Tesla, and what must be current through the wire here. Now we have to calculate this value. Now here 2.4 centimeter is distance is given. Distance means which term is given here? R is given. Now R is equal to 2.4 centimeter. The centimeters value convert into meter. Then 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Centimeters is CGS unit. We have to calculate the value of, or we have to calculate the answer in same unit. Means if there are SI unit calculate answer. So every quantity's value must be in same unit now here. Now here R is equal to 2.54 centimeter and 2.4 into 10 raised to that minus 2 meter here. Now last over here, see B is given is 16 microtesla. If there is microtesla, convert into Tesla. Then 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. Here also calculate I's value. I is equal to question mark here. Therefore, B is equal to same formula we have to use, nu 0 I upon 2 pi R. That mu 0's value, you know, if there is in exam is mu 0's value is also given. If there is not given, then we have to by hearted this value. That 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber per meter, this value. Now substitute the value of here, that we have to calculate I's, the convert in equation in the form of I's, B 2 pi R upon mu 0. This simple example is here now. Then we can easily calculate without log table. I is equal to B. B's value is 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 2 pi into 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 2, and here 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Here is pi cancel, 1 2 0. In here 2's value is calculating here. 2's 8 are 16. Now that 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to 7 here. Now first of all, that combine the 10 raised to power, then after multiplying this all value by using log table also. Then you can calculate by simple calculation also. Then 8 into 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 6 and minus 2. Here is minus 8 into 10 raised to 7. Now 8 we can calculate by simple calculation also. Then we get this value, that into 19.2 into 10 raised to minus 1 here. That this value convert into, if there is minus 1 ampere, like this also we can write here also. This also is answer of this example, and we can write another form also. I is equal to 1.92 into 10 raised to minus 1. Instead of minus 1 we can write, here is, sorry, 1 minus 1, we are not right, directly we can write 1.92 ampere. Both the answer is correct answer of this example. Once again see here that R is equal to, that R is given, that distance is given 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 2. B is equal to 16 micro Tesla. 16 into 10 raised to minus 6. Convert micro in Tesla. Mu 0 value we have to known. B is equal to this formula also. You must be known that mu 0 I 2 pi r. This formula is not given in exam. That by calculation you have to remember this formula. So that after calculation we get the value of current is 1.92 ampere. That one more example is here. See, for first I am going to read this example. For a proton, acceleration of cyclotron is used in which a magnetic field of 1.4 Weber per meter square is applied. Find the time period for reversing the electric field between two disks. Now we have to learn the cyclotron accelerators formula. This example is related to the cyclotron accelerator. What is the given value of their example? Now see, given is, which one is given value? Here first magnetic field is given. B is given 1.4 Weber per meter square, and this B's value is given here, and find the time period. Now a proton is given. For mass of proton means m is equal to that 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. This value is, all of you known, mass of proton. If in exam is this value is not given, so we have to remember this value. That mass of proton, magnetic field is also given. That mass of proton is here, right? Charge on electron. The charge on electron E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. This value also all of you know. B is given here. Mass of proton also we are right here. Charge on electron also we have to write here. Now actual we have to calculate, find the time period, means time period we have to calculate. For reversing the electric between two means T by 2 we have to calculate. T by 2 we have to calculate here. Here. This main formula, the time period for that complete revolution time period is T. That T is equal to 2 pi m upon QB here. But Here is we have to calculate 2 here. We have to calculate 2 pi t by 2. So when we are getting here t by 2, we are writing t by 2. So 2 pi m upon 2 qb. 2 cancel. The t by 2 is equal to pi's value is 3.14. All of you know. M means mass on proton. 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27, and Q's values is, Q means here that is charge on electrons. Q means charge on electron. E is right here. E means Q's value. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into B is 1.4. These values is substitute the values, all values of that quantity that we get. Now, therefore, T by 2 is equal to, T by 2 is equal to 3.14 into 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 1.4. Now for this calculation we have to necessary here log table. Here is number is like this number. So by using this log table we can solve by simplify this equation. Then we get, now see here by simplification equation here 5.2438 multiply by 10 raised to here minus 27 into 10 raised to here minus 19 is here plus 19 upon that 2.24 by multiplying 1.6 into 1.4. By using log table we can easily solve this example. Therefore t by 2 is equal to, we get last value is 2.34 into here minus 27 and plus 19. Then 10 raised to minus 27 and plus 19 is 10 raised to minus 8. Here t by 2, so time period unit is second. That we get the answer t by 2 is equal to 2.38 into 10 raised to minus 8 second. In this lesson there are so many example is given to unsolved example. The few example we saw here. I hope this few example you understood. That today's section is finished. So thank you very much.